Medikonda Nutrients is committed to crafting and supplying nature-based ingredients of the highest standards. Our Noni Fruit Powder is processed with precision to preserve its natural purity, rich nutrients, and health-enhancing properties. The journey begins with the careful selection and harvesting of fully ripened noni fruits, chosen at peak maturity when their nutrient density, antioxidant potential, and beneficial enzymes are at their highest. Each fruit is hand-picked to ensure only the freshest and cleanest noni moves forward for further processing. In our sorting and grading area, the fruits are checked for ripeness, color, freshness, and size. Only the best noni is chosen. The fruits are triple washed to remove all impurities, ensuring absolute cleanliness. After washing, the fruits are carefully sliced to optimize them for uniform drying while maintaining their natural enzymes and phytonutrients. The sliced noni then enters our dehydration chamber, where it undergoes controlled drying techniques such as hot air drying or freeze drying. This locks in the fruit's natural aroma, nutrients, and characteristic profile. Once perfectly dried, the noni slices are processed in high-grade pulverizers to achieve a fine, smooth powder consistency. The powder is then sieved to ensure uniform particle size, resulting in a high-quality product ideal for food, nutraceutical, herbal supplement, and cosmetic applications. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while preserving nutritional value. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, moisture content, and bioactive components, ensuring it meets international quality standards. Finally, our organic Noni Fruit Powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients,